So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the Epic Games launcher, and then you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. So you want to click on the three dots, and then click on Manage, and then click on Verify. Now for the second step, you want to click on the three dots again, click on Manage, and then you want to click on Open Install Location. You want to find the exe file for your game. You want to right click on it, click on Properties, and then click on the Compatibility tab. And then you want to take Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to make sure the graphics card drivers are fully up to date, so I'll leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card, so for me I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I have GeForce Experience downloaded. Now once you're on your software, you want to click on the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. Make sure the graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in display settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down and you want to make sure that next to scale and display resolution, they're both set to the recommended option. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Now for the next step, you want to head over to the Epic Games launcher and you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Manage, and then you want to click on Open Install Location. And now you just want to copy this path right here. So just click once and then you want to copy all of this. Control C, copy. Now you want to head over to search and then type in graphics settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on Browse, and then you want to paste the path right here. So you're going to click once over here, delete this, and then you want to paste it. Click on Enter, which will then bring you to here. And now you want to find the .exe file. You want to double click on it, which will then make it appear here. Click on Options, click on High Performance, and then click on Save. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.